For many industry professionals, installing invasive in-pipe immersion sensors is just too costly to even consider. First, the media flow in the pipe must be shut off and drained. Then the pipe must be drilled to accommodate the sensor. Now install the fittings, weld the pipe, insert the sensor, check for leaks, and then reopen the flow of media throughout the pipe. To avoid all that downtime, some systems managers and operators have tried using industrial infrared thermometers as a workaround. This just doesn't work, and here's why. First off, an infrared thermometer is designed to read surface temperatures, so you aren't going to get anywhere near an accurate picture of what the in-pipe media temperature is. Second, if your process piping system is made up of stainless steel or any other reflective metal pipes, an infrared thermometer may not even be able to get an accurate surface temperature, due to the fact that highly polished metals typically have very low emissivity ratings, since they tend to be very reflective of ambient infrared energy and less effective at emitting their own electromagnetic waves. So an infrared thermometer may just read a reflection of the ambient room temperature bouncing off of the pipe. So how do you measure in-pipe media temperature without an invasive in-pipe sensor? With a HANI high-accuracy non-invasive clamp temperature sensor. That's how. The HANI sensor installs in seconds and uses a proprietary algorithm for fast and accurate in-pipe temperature readings. Visit omega.com to find out more about how the HANI sensor can be put to work for you.